what does it mean? This was your real election. Last time around you came
Yes.
unopposed,
Yes.
but this time around you won. You
Yes.
defeated a lot of candidates. How do
Yeah.
you look at this election?
Well, I feel that it is the fruit of the effort, joint effort of all the BJP Karyakarte that was blessed by the Lord Almighty. Because I had left the success of this election to God. And I had told God that if it's your will, I will win. And if it is not your will, I will not win and I will accept it in the same manner. So today, I thank God for giving me another opportunity to work. And that's what I promised God, that I would work hard and I would work very sincerely for the upliftment of the people of my constituency and the land at large.
Last time around it was about keeping up Matani Saldana's
Yes.
legacy. This time around, what is it? How does it work for you?
Well, it is definitely keeping up with Matani's legacy because there are many issues that I have to still settle. There are many works that I have to complete that were started in the previous tenure, and that is one of the main reasons that it meant a lot for me to win this time around because I have to complete. It is only when I complete the works that are going on that I will get that satisfaction that I have done what Matani had promised the people.
What was the cause of the delay when your government was there in power for 5 years?
Well, there was a slight delay. There is a slight delay. Well, all of us know the government has done a phenomenal task in carrying on with governance in spite of the revenue deficiency that it has been facing. Okay, I really congratulate the government because very often when you're not involved directly, one does not know how difficult it is sometimes to find solutions at every level when there is such a huge drawback. But the government has done a phenomenal
5
job
years you
of
were
it.
in power, you were a minister in this government, but there is a lot of but this government doesn't seem to have performed well, as in the BJP has not performed well. The chief minister himself has lost his elections, a lot of big leaders in the BJP have lost. How do you look back at the performance of the government now?
Yes. Can I, I would say that sometimes there are other factors also that play a very important role in a candidate winning an election. Okay? So, I think there are many factors. It is not just the performance because, let me be very honest, there were times I have worked sincerely. And I know that almost all BJP MLAs have worked hard. And I think all of you will agree that the development that the state has seen